एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सुपरग्रैड्स कैट। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक टॉप बी स्कूल की विच इज हाईली नोन फॉर इट्स आरओआई, दैट इज JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, also known as the CEO Factory of India. So today we shall be discussing all these factors. Why is JBIMS called the CEO Factory of India? We'll be talking about the selection criteria. We'll be discussing the programs that are offered in JBIMS. We'll be talking about the scores that are accepted, the cutoffs, the fees, the placement, and the companies that come on board. So if I talk about why is it called the CEO Factory of India, because there have been a lot of notable alumni from JBIMS who are CEOs of top MNCs and top companies out there. So if I have to give you certain examples, then we have Uday Kotak, the founder and director of Kotak Mahindra Bank, who has been a notable alumni of JBIMS. Then we have Chanda Kochar, managing director and CEO of ICICI Bank. Then we have Lalita D. Gupta, former president and chairman of UTI Mutual Funds. Then we have Nitin Paranjpe, President and CEO of Infosys Limited. Then we have another notable alumni, that is Usha Rao Manori, who has been a former chairperson of SBI, managing director and chief executive of SBI Capital Markets. Then we have Siddharth Roy Kapoor, who has been CEO and managing director of UTV Motion Pictures. He is also a founder of Eros. Next, let us look into the programs that are offered at the institute. So if I talk about the programs, the very first program that we have is MMS. Now here the degree is the same. They do not call it MBA or PGDM, rather they call it MMS, that is Masters in Management Studies, जिसके seats हैं 156 and the fees is 6 lakhs for 2 years. Then let us come to the other program, that is MSc in Finance, Masters of Science in Finance domain, जिसके 40 seats हैं, the fees is 6 lakhs. Then we have another program, that is MHRD, that is Masters of Human Resource Development, जिसके 30 seats हैं and the fees is 7 lakhs. Okay, now let us look at the selection criteria of JBIMS. Now the scores that they accept is CAT, CMAT और MHCT. तीनों में से आप कोई भी एग्जाम लिख सकते हो, तीनों के scores ये accept करते हैं. You can write either of the exams and you can get into the college. The cutoff over here goes slightly higher because they only are looking into your entrance exam के scores. They do not consider your 10th 12th marks over here. They do not consider any gap year. अगर कभी आपका gap year रहा है in your college years or in your school years, they do not consider that. They will not look into your profile. They won't be any GDPI over here. So it is just on the basis of the entrance exam scores that you need to target this particular college and you need to score this percentile. That is CAT के लिए अगर मैं कट ऑफ की बात करूँ तो 99.99 जाता है. CMAT का कट ऑफ also goes high around 99.99 percentile. CT, that is Maharashtra CT, 99.90 is the कट ऑफ. सो जितनी भी मेहनत करनी है यू गाइज विल हैव टू डू इन द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. सो अगर कैट का एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं गया है, यू स्टिल हैव सीमैट इन योर हैंड्स. द नोटिफिकेशन कैन बी आउट एनी टाइम सून. तो सीमैट के लिए प्रिपरेशन हमें अभी से चालू करनी होगी. If you haven't prepared for CMAT yet, then we have started a crash course for the same, for which I'm putting the link in the description box. So you can watch the playlist, you can watch all the sessions that we are taking on a daily basis. So all your basic concepts would be clear because we are covering all the sections of CMAT. So you can watch that playlist. I'm putting the link in the description box. Next, let us talk about the fees and the placement of the college. So the fee structure, as I mentioned earlier also, is 6 lakh for MMS. That is the main program. That is the flagship program of the institute. Highest CTC, 42 lakhs per annum. Average 27.63 lakhs per annum. Top 10% of the batch का अगर मैं placement की बात करूँ तो it was 34.18 LPA. Top 25% 32 LPA. So this is the placement record that we are talking about of 2023 batch. Okay, now let us see the companies. Around 190 companies visit the institute. And if I talk about the summer placement, now this is the summer placement highlight of 2022 to 2024 batch. And you can witness over here, highest stipend 7.93 lakhs, median 2.14 lakhs, top 30% का जो stipend रहा है वो 3.20 lakhs hai. So this we are talking about the summer placement highlights. And if you look at the companies, they have Accenture, BCG, all the top firms over here, HSBC. Then they have Axis Bank, Bank of America. They also have Airtel, Asian Paints, Citibank, and all these companies coming for the summer placements. Now let us also have a look at the final placement report that is for the 2021 to 2023 batch as I mentioned. If I talk about the top recruiters over here, BFSI or IBM, they have Bajaj, then they have HSBC, they have NPCI, they have Citi, they have DBS. Consulting domain maybe they have the big four that is Accenture, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, EY, McKinsey and Company. Then they also have FMCG and Pharma May, Colgate, they have L'Oreal, they have P&G, Asian Paints. Then they also have in the manufacturing domain as well, Adani, then Everest, then Mahindra, Vedanta realized they also have in the IT and e-commerce, Cisco, they have HCL, they have Tech Mahindra, Pine Labs, and all these top companies coming on the campus. ओके स्टूडेंट्स सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड आई होप अब हमें जेबीआईएमएस के बारे में उसके प्रोग्राम्स के करिकुलम के बारे में आइडिया लग गया होगा वी विल बी आल्सो कवरिंग सच बी स्कूल्स इन द नियर फ्यूचर एज वेल आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर सच top B schools and colleges. So for more such interesting updates, stay tuned to SuperGrads CAT.